another day, another recipe. Hope you all are enjoying my recipes, and do give me feedback in comments. I will really appreciate that. I'm here with the recipe of Achar Gosht. Achar Gosht is my family's favorite, one of the favorite dishes, and mine as well. Let me tell you the ingredients. So I am making chicken Achar Gosht. For that I have 2 lbs of chicken with bone. People make it with boneless as well, but what I feel is with bone meat gives it a really good taste as well. And here I have this Shan Achar Gosht Masala. I'll be making Shan Masala today. And other ingredients, I have this 1 medium onion blended, and I have ginger garlic paste here, 2 tablespoons and 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and half cup of oil, and half cup of tomato puree, and 4 to 5 green chillies. So here from this packet of Shan Masala, I have to take 1 tablespoon out, just like that. And then the rest of the masala I will use in cooking. 1 tablespoon, I have to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and make a paste of it, and fill green chilies with them. So the paste should be this thick. You can take the bigger and thicker green chilies, but I have these, so I'm using these. Slit the green chili. Here we have to scoop out the seeds, just like that. And fill the green chilies with this paste. Just like that. That's it. Add blended onion, 1 medium blended onion. So just after sautéing 1 to 2 minutes, add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. 2 to 3 minutes just after adding ginger garlic paste, we have to add meat. Lemon juice, and I'm adding all the masala in the lemon juice. Mixing it well. Adding this masala. Just after sautéing 2 to 3 minutes, I'm adding tomato puree rather than adding yogurt. If you want to add yogurt, you can add yogurt as well, but I prefer to put tomato puree in my achar gosht. It gives it a wonderful color and amazing taste. The oil is getting separated. Add a half cup of water. Mix it. Cover it on medium flame for about 10 minutes. It's 5 to 6 curry leaves, and I have just a little bit of mustard seeds, just a little bit of kalonji, just a little bit of cumin seeds, and 2 whole red chillies for baghar. And I'll need some oil. 2 tablespoons of oil will be enough, and I'll make some baghar. At any time you feel that you need to add the salt in your achar gosht, you can just taste it and add it if you want. This chicken is now all done almost. I feel that I need some salt, so I'm adding a pinch of salt in it. So at this time I'll be adding my green chilies in it. So 2 tablespoons of oil for baghar. I'll add everything in here. It already has oil in it. Add curry leaves in it. Now close the flame and add baghar. And immediately cover the pan. Now flame is closed. Only baghar I added, and just cover it. It'll be like that for 5 minutes at least. So this is all ready and set to serve. This achar gosht is ready and served. If you like the recipe, please like and share the recipe. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.